You really can't achieve a technology transformation unless people understand why you're doing those things and what good looks like as an outcome. Charles King, Senior Vice President of IT and Chief Information Officer, Evergy. It's a fairly new company. We became Evergy about 18 months ago as a result of the merger between KCP&L and Westar Energy. We, in total now, serve about 1.7 million customers. Service territory spans on the southern edge from about Wichita, Kansas, up to the Iowa border. And then east to west, we kind of run from the middle of Kansas to the middle of Missouri. We got a pretty good mix of urban and rural. Our single biggest challenge is doing everything at once. We run the risk as Evergy of fully consuming ourselves on day-to-day operations and large merger consolidation projects. But if we do that, we run the risk of, I'll say, looking up 3 or 4 years from now and saying, where'd everybody else go? And so we've got to remember to carve off some bandwidth and time and people to be innovative as well. Some of the things we have going on, data analytics at the end of the day is a game changer. The power, for example, of things like customer data and meter data, we've had to put that in areas where it's simply available and understood so that everybody can go at it with different questions that they have, learn from it, and figure out how to make us better. The potential benefit of sensors to me is almost endless. In the operations world, sensors enable things like condition-based maintenance versus time-based maintenance, where we can truly know what's going on before a piece of equipment fails. There's other applications such as wearable technology in the field that we can put on employees to help keep them safe and leverage the data from those sensors. We're actually now doing what's called unmanned flights with drones, where we can go survey transmission lines and so forth, apply machine learning and artificial intelligence, and identify where you've got potential issues through automation. Then you can get to the subset that's actionable, and it's making a difference. It is a very exciting time in the industry, and of course for us as a company because of that. What makes me the proudest to be at Evergy and work at Evergy is simply the people. We're on the heels of a merger, and so bringing people together, bringing cultures together, it's amazing often what you can achieve.